and welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. In this video, we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your sewing machine store business. So as owner of a business, I receive a lot of queries on my WhatsApp number. And now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using a all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So here we are going to follow a process. We are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chat Flow, and then whenever a user is going to send a message to our WhatsApp chat, then automatically this chatbot is going to reply to the message. So now here, if you wish to learn about this chatbot in detail, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot for your sewing machine store to automatically answer inquiries, share product details, and collect customer info 24/7. It's a great way to save time and stay connected with your customers. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the WhatsApp chatbot that I've already created for my sewing machine store business. And now here I have created this chatbot using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So now firstly here in this video we are going to see the working of this chatbot by simply sending a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp chat. So for that, let me all take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've already connected with my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So here let's suppose that I'm a customer over here and I'm going to drop the text to this chat as, hey, I want to buy a sewing machine. And it says, hello, welcome to Stitch Easy Sewing Machine Store. I'm your assistant here to help you 24/7. How can I assist you today? And here you can see the 3 quick reply buttons that we have received over here, such as the view product, service, or book a demo. So let's select view products. And it says here are some of our best-selling sewing machines. Would you like to help placing an order or need more options? So let's select place order. And then it says you can explore our full product range and place your order directly on our website. So this is the website link. Let's click on this chat with us. And here you can see we have received the details of the customer care. And then we are going to click on this back to menu. So here we have received the main message once again. Let's select book a demo. And then it says we'd love to show you how it works. Please tell us your preferred day and time. So let's give the day and the time as Sunday, 2 p.m. And it says our expert will confirm it with you shortly. Alright, so with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this chatbot by using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So here to access the Pabbly Chat Flow, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chat Flow. So here you can see 2 options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chat Flow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps went where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to use Pabbly Chat Flow. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow, and here let me tell you that I've already set up my Pabbly Chat Flow account over here. So now here let me give an overview that how you can add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chat Flow account. So for that you need to click on this add a WhatsApp number button given over here, and then you'll be able to see the option of WhatsApp Connect and the manual token connect. So here you can see that WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here. So here if you wish to learn about this method in detail, then you can check out the video available on our YouTube channel for the same. And if you select manual token connect, then it is going to ask for the Meta access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So here to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta, and once you're going to set up the account, automatically you're going to get all these details, and after adding the details over here, you need to click on this next and you are good to go. Alright, so this was all about how to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chat Flow account. And here let me tell you that Pabbly Chat Flow offers some amazing features that are available in the left sidebar given over here. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to that feature available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so let me give an overview of each feature. So let's start with the inbox. So here by using this feature, you can see all your WhatsApp chats at one place. Then comes comes the contact. So by using this particular feature, you can create and manage the contact list for your WhatsApp number. Then comes the team queues. So by using this particular feature, you can see all your team members at one place and the status of the chat assigned to each team member. Then comes the templates. So by using this particular feature, you can create and manage the templates for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the broadcast. So by using this particular feature, you can create, send and schedule the broadcast messages for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the flows. So here by using this particular feature, you can create the WhatsApp chatbot for your business. Then comes the AI assistant. So by using this particular feature, you can create an AI assistant for your business. Then comes the activity logs. So here you can see all the activities of your Pabbly Chatflow account at one place. Then comes the settings, and here under settings you can see some more features as well. So here if you wish to learn about these features, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature. Then comes the get help option. So by using this particular option, you can get a response to all your queries regarding Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this was all about the features of Pabbly Chatflow, and now here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, we are going to use the feature of Pabbly Chatflow that are flows. Now here under this flow builder, you can see all the existing flows that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow account till now. So now here to build a new WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to add a new flow over here, and for that I'm going to click on this add a flow button given over here. Now here in this flow window, I'm going to give a name to my chatbot first. So I'm going to give the name as WhatsApp chatbot for your sewing machine store business. And now you have to giving a name to my flow. It is asking me to set up the flow start. So in this flow start, I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can set the trigger as keywords, regex or the template. So here if you wish to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through a template, then you can choose the template from your template library, or else you can add the keywords or the regex. So here if you will choose the trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So for example, if we add a keyword like hey, so for that we need to type that keyword first, and then you need to press an enter to make it a valid keyword, so that whenever a user sends a message with this word, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different ways. One person might say tell me about some sewing machines, while another might write please conduct a demo call for us. So now here instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expression, to create a smarter trigger. For example, using a regex pattern like this, automatically the chatbot will detect the common query words regardless of variations or capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. So it says enter regex to match substring trigger and enable the toggle for case sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each case sensitive regex. Alright, so this was all about the flow start, and now after setting up the flow start, we are going to move forward, and then whenever a user is going to send any of the message to my WhatsApp chat, then automatically I want to send a hello or a welcome message to my customer. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as hello, welcome to Stitch Ease Sewing Machine Store. I'm your assistant here to help you 24/7. How can I assist you today? So this is a very simple message that I've added over here, and here you can see I've used asterisk before and after my brand name because here I wanted to make this text bold. So here you need to use this particular text format to make your text bold. Alright, so now after adding the message, I'm going to add some quick reply button over here, where I'm going to enter the text as view product, service and book a demo. And now after adding the quick reply button over here, we have successfully completed this message box over here. So now further we are going to build the WhatsApp chatbot for these quick reply button. So if my customer is going to select view products quick reply button, then I want to send another message to my customer, and for that I have added a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as here's are some of our best selling sewing machines. These are the machines, and it says would you like help placing an order or need more options. So now with this we have successfully completed the message over here, and now I'm going to add some quick reply button over here, where I'm going to enter the text as place order, chat with us and back to main menu. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. And now further I'm going to add some text boxes for these quick reply button. So here for the place order I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as you can explore our full product range and place your order directly on our website. Visit here. This is the website given over here. Alright, so now here after adding this message box, we are going to move forward with chat with us quick reply button, and here I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as No worries, one of our team members will connect with you shortly. You can also call us at this number. Alright, so with this, we have successfully added this message box as well. So now we are going to connect this back to menu quick reply button to the main message box. And with this, we have successfully built the WhatsApp chatbot for this quick reply button that was for the view products. Alright, so we are going to move forward, and here we are going to move forward with the service quick reply button. So for that, I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as: we offer repair services, maintenance and spare parts. Please share the machine model and the issue you are facing to our team, who will get in touch with you shortly. Alright, so with this, we have successfully added a small message for this quick reply button as well. And now here we are going to move forward to book a demo quick reply button. So if my customer is going to select this quick reply button, then I want to ask the customer for a preferred time and date to connect. So for that, we are going to click on this action type notes, and from here I'm going to drop this ask a question message box. And now here I'm going to enter the text as: we'd love to show you how it works. Please tell us your preferred day and time for a free demo. Alright, so now here you can see that I'm asking about the preferred day and the time over here. And then here it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here I've already created a contact custom field for the preferred time over here. And here if you wish to learn that what is this contact custom field in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature. And here let me tell you that how you can access this contact custom field. So for that, you need to click on the settings, and from here you'll be able to see the option of contact custom fields. Alright, so now here after adding the message, I'm going to select the contact custom field as preferred time, and then I'm going to select the format as text. And now here I'm going to add the number of attempt as 1, and here it is asking me to enter the validation error message. So here I don't want to enter any validation error message, so I'm going to leave it blank, but you can add it as per your need. And now I'm going to connect this book a demo quick reply button to this question message box. Alright, so now here if my customer is going to reply with the preferred date and time, then automatically I want to send another small confirmation, or you can say a ending message to my customer. So for that, I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as: our expert will confirm it with you shortly. Alright, so with this, we have successfully completely set up our chatbot for our sewing machine store business. So this is a very small and simple chatbot that I've created over here, but you can create the chatbot using another message boxes or some other details as well for your own business. Alright, so now after creating this flow, we are going to save this flow first by clicking on the save button. And here you can see it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully updated our flow over here. So now after saving the flow, we are going to test our chatbot once again. And for that, let me all take you back to my WhatsApp. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp account, and then here I'm going to clear the chat to start it from the scratch. So again, let's suppose that I'm a customer over here, and this time I'm going to drop the text as: hey, can you please give us a demo call? And here you can see the message that we have received that says: hello, welcome to Stitchy Sewing Machine Store. I'm your assistant here to help you 24/7. How can I assist you today? And here these are the 3 quick reply button that we have received over here. So now whenever you're going to click on this any of the quick reply button, then automatically your chatbot is going to send you the responses. Alright, so with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot. And now here let me summarize the entire chatbot that we just right now created. So here we have set up the flow start as the register, and here we have added a hello or a welcome message for our customers with the quick reply button as view product, service or book a demo. And then further we have set up the WhatsApp chatbot for these quick reply button over here. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that we just right now created. And now here if you wish to learn about such chatbots in future, then you need to stay tuned on our YouTube channel for the same. And now if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chat Flow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots with Pabbly Chat Flow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can visit forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and try Pabbly Chat Flow for free today.